Hi, I'm Steve Clark of RFC of San Francisco, licensed general contractor, licensed plumber, and today we're going to speak about the difference between a water saver or low consumption. Many of my clients ask me, Steve, how can I conserve water? There's two primary ways. The first is you could use a low consumption device like this toilet. This toilet's dual flush. Instead of using 4 gallons of water, you can use 1.6, and you can also reduce it even further depending on what type of water usage you want to use. You can also use a low consumption device like a shower head. Now the other way is to save water, and that's mostly behavioral. When you can save water by simply when you brush your teeth, turning off the water. When you shave, turn off the water. Those are items that will save water as opposed to items like this that use low consumption of water. Today we learned the difference between a water saver or a low consumption. I'm Steve Clark of RFC of San Francisco, licensed contractor, licensed plumber. Thanks for watching.